What's up, y'all? Back out here on this hustle line bully ranch. But I'm back here. I gotta get out here, clean up. Got kennels to clean, puppies to take care of. But the good thing about what I got here is everybody had food, everybody had water, everybody had a place to go. You know what I'm saying? Everybody was on a clean surface. Today is the first day. I'm gonna let these puppies, I'm gonna let the puppies in the puppy area out to play. This is gonna be the first day that they get to play, and I'm gonna let them out with some of my bigger puppies. If y'all are interested in some puppies, that black tri male, I'm about to circle him, is available. And then the Merle in the back right now, I'm circling him, he's available. And then I have 5 chocolate tries and 2 lilac of the younger puppies. If you can see, all 7 of them lined up against the fence, and they're all available right now. All right, so I don't have a lot of time today because I got a lot of catching up to do. It's gonna be hard to do that trying to videotape everything. So what I'm gonna do is just set up the time lapse. It's gonna, I gotta clean out the whole puppy shed, and I gotta clean out all the kennels probably within about an hour. I gotta have everything done, dogs put up, food feeders filled up, water filled up, everything. So I'm gonna be rushing through it, but I'm gonna try to get as much of it on video as I can for y'all so you can see what's, you know, this is, you know, kind of like a day-to-day thing. If you make it a day-to-day thing, which is, you know, I try to keep my dogs as clean as possible. I kind of feel guilty because the dogs are taken care of, but I wasn't out here to hang out with them yesterday. And that just, I don't know, it's just like, kind of like your kids. You know, if you miss a day hanging out with your kids or whatever, you feel some type of way, you know, especially when you go out there and see them and they bright-eyed and bushy-tailed to see you, and you like, dang, you know, my fault, I was sick yesterday, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna kind of rush through this.